Hi, Victor here. We're talking about the 7 improvement tips for those looking to sell their home. Now is the time to start getting ready if you plan to sell your home in the near future. Updates are simply inevitable in the lifespan of your home. Materials wear out, styles change. So when you are looking to sell your home, you need to look at return on investments for upgrades and repairs to your home. Return on investment, ROI for short, stands for the percentage you gained on the money invested. According to most experts, all renovations add value, but none of them on average add more value than they cost. But not doing some upgrades or repairs can cost you. The following items are best in return by percentage. Number 1, your garage door. Garage door replacement is at the top of nearly every return on investment home improvement list. A garage door replacement is a relatively low-cost improvement that you can make on your property. Most homeowners can recoup about 97% of the cost to install a new garage door. A garage door has a huge impact on a home's curb appeal. A clean, smoothly functioning garage door makes a great first impression on would-be home buyers. Now, on the other hand, a shabby garage door does not scream responsible homeowner to a potential buyer. Number 2, your front door. Curb appeal to buyers is very important, and your front door is part of that curb appeal. If your front door is in good repair and doesn't need replacing, a new paint job will bring great benefits. A front door will bring on average a return on investment about 75%. Number 3, repairing or replacing the roof on your home. Repairing or replacing your roof may not sound sexy or exciting, but nothing ruins the rest of your property worse than a shoddy roof or water leaks. Replacing an old roof, on average, brings a return on investment of about 68%. Do you see a theme here? All of these items have to do with curb appeal. When a new buyer pulls up to your home, if the first thing they see are items that need repaired or replaced, they're going to be very leery of the rest of your home on the tour. Number 4, minor kitchen repairs. Most people think to remodel a kitchen, you have to rip out everything and put in all new. But a minor kitchen remodel, such as repainting or refurbishing your existing cabinets, replacing outdated appliances, or changing the countertop, will bring you, on average, about an 80% return on investment versus a complete remodel, which will only bring you about a 60% return on investment. Number 5, bathroom remodel. Now, once again, as in the kitchen, if you do a minor remodel, you will get a better return on investment than if you do a major remodel. A minor remodel, on average, will bring about a 67% return on investment, where a major remodel will only bring about a 60% return on investment. Number 6, wood floors. Most new home buyers are looking for hardwood floors. Now, if you do prefer a carpet in the bedroom, which I do, just add hardwood floors or engineered wood floors to the main living spaces. Now, hardwood or engineered wood floors will bring you an average return on investment of about 70 to 80%. Number 7, interior paint. Now, this has the greatest return on investment than anything you can do to your home. You may want to consider painting the interior of your home a light neutral color throughout, such as white, off-white, or a light gray. Now, a lot of homes have custom colors throughout that appeal to the homeowner. To appeal to the majority of buyers, you may want to paint the interior a light neutral color throughout. Also, light neutral colors make individual rooms look larger. If you have old wallpaper in your home, consider taking it down and painting. Painting the interior of your home a light neutral color is one of the best things you can do for resale. This will give you, on average, over 100% return on investment. Now, before you start remodeling your home and getting it ready to sell, talk with your realtor. Most realtors have the expertise on how to present a home to sell and can advise you on what items you need to focus on. All for now.